Okay, here's the video of scanning a weather station. So I have a weather station right here with the cover taken off the weather station module. So this weather station module is here. Now, what you see here, there is a blue light. Now, if the blue light shine is overwhelming the camera, so I'm going to put a little post here to cover it for the video. But that blue light flashing on and off, that's the heartbeat signal. Right, let's say that the software is running, and then we have a red light up here. Let me see if I can move my camera at an angle here. That red light right there, that's the power. Okay, and then there's some LED here for the receive signal. That means communicating. All right, so you got COM1 plug into here on this module, right? But that go into COM2 on the controller module. So I scan, I'm gonna choose COM2 here, and I'm gonna move over, just gonna scan. The weather station is actually on 134, but I'm just gonna scan the whole thing. All right, scan COM2 0255. And again, the blue LED is super bright. So I'm gonna put it like this. Block it. Try to block it. Come on. There you go. Okay. Now here, I'm going to initiate the scan. Let me clear it. Clear. Everything's clear. I'm going to exit out just to clear everything. Okay. I'm going to come back in. System setup, go to scan move, COM2 0255. I'm going to initiate the scan. Now you see the yellow light blinking there, right? That means it's a receiving signal activities. And here on COM, you see a light blinking, right? So scanning is sending signal here and it's looking for this board. And this board is on 134, it's looking, and then at 134, very briefly, right, it's so brief that you didn't really see it. Sorry, on 132, you see it there. Okay, there was very brief light of transmit, right, but this talking, that talking back and forth, and it found it on 132. And it's on COM2. Okay, and it's a run through, and that's it. They found this board. I'm gonna exit. Exit out, and you watch it blink every so often. All right, and you see it blink, and you can see there's a green light down there, and that's a transmit signal. That green light is down here is this unit sending data to the controller. The yellow light up here is that this weather station receiving data from controller. So every so often, this controller make a request for information. So it sent information here. Yellow light mean it heard it, and then green light mean it transmitted back to here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go map it, system setup, set up input. I'm gonna go down to weather station, and that was on 1. Out temp, data. Okay, and the last thing that you want to set on this is that you go to system setup, under communication, you want to set this as a gateway. This is the unit talk to the weather station. Gateway, right? So now it will transmit this. You see now that light blinks. Right, so data weather station there on COM2. Now it's being broadcast out COM3 to the other unit. And here you see capital I, capital C. That's IC Central Intercontroller. So there's multiple controller. It will send out. And then if there's another unit on the bus, on the COM3 bus, you will see a lowercase IC. That means receiving weather station data. So this unit, gateway unit, is transmitting. And you see it there.
Are you there
You see
yet?
it here and there.